Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see, steaming hot, straight from the wok. This is fabulous. We're going to do some belly pork with 5 spice and broccoli. Really, really, really delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look first at our pork. We're going to get this on the way first. So I've got some belly pork there. Now I've cut it quite chunky. It's in quite big pieces. You can cut it smaller if you want. Here I've got 1 nice tablespoon of 5 spice powder, and here I've got some salt. We're simply going to get this in a bowl and mix them all together. There you are. And as you can see, like I say, nice and chunky bits I've done, but you do it however you want. So salt, and don't be shy with the salt. The salt's going to really sort of help it get a little bit crispy. And then our 5 spice powder, which you can buy pretty much in any supermarket these days, and certainly in an Asian store. So we're just going to give this a little mix, and then we're going to get over to the cooker and fry this off. That will be the first stage of this wonderful dish. Okay, so I've got my pan here, or a wok or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're on a fairly lively heat, and what we're going to do is we're going to get all of this pork in, and we're going to fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes. And every couple of minutes you could be sort of moving it around. Very, very easy and super, super tasty. I'll be back in about 5 or 6 minutes or so. And that pork will be looking beautiful at that stage. Okay, so off goes the heat. And as you can see, our pork is looking fantastic. Got some lovely colour on that. Nice and crispy on the edges. So let's get this out. Now don't throw this away, we're going to be using this. Let's take a look at some other ingredients. Okay, so look, our pork is done. Fantastic, that is beautiful. I mean, you could eat that just like that. You could get that and dip that in something and then off you go, beautiful. But we're going to move on. So, as you can see, I've got some broccoli here, fresh broccoli. I've got a large onion sliced, I'm using red. Now we're going to use a lot of garlic in this. This is like 2 tablespoons of garlic. And then these 3, they're equal parts. They're like half a cup each of soy sauce. Now I'm using a light soy. You could use dark if you wanted. Oyster sauce, and here I've got sriracha. Sriracha is like a very mild chili. If you don't want to use that, you can use ketchup, tomato ketchup. Let's get back to the cooker and get this together. Okay, so we're back on in this pan. I've got this heating up. Now what I've done is I've reduced that oil down by 50%, so we've got some there. Use this because you've got some wonderful flavours in there. We're getting that nice and hot, and what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our onion and our garlic. We're keeping this on a nice high heat. We're going to get all this garlic, and there's quite a lot there like I say, and the onions cooked for about 3 minutes. Keep it moving now. Okay, fabulous. Now in with our broccoli, and again 3 more minutes. Okay, wonderful. So that's 2 or 3 minutes there. Our broccoli's still nice and hard. We're now going to reintroduce our pork. And again, another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring all the time. And this is amazing. I'm loving this one. Okay, now time for our soy sauce. Our sriracha or ketchup if you wanted. The ketchup will add the sweetness, this will add a little bit of kick. Not too much though. Our oyster sauce. These are all equal amounts. A little bit of water, not too much. And then 2 or 3 more minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving, let's get it coated. We're very nearly done. Absolutely amazing, amazing. Now I'm not adding any salt or pepper because we've got plenty of salt flavors in the soy and the oyster sauce. The oyster sauce also gives us a massive flavor there. If you wanted, you could add some chili, some fresh chilies. Wow, off goes the heat. I'm simply going to add some green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them, chunky cuts in the mix, and we're done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love to you.